Okay. Hello everyone. So when we're thinking about order of operations, remember the most important thing to remember is BEDMAS. Remember this stands for brackets, exponents. Remember an exponent is something like a little 2 in the air. Divide and multiply. These kind of come together. They're on the same level. You're just thinking about which one comes from the left first, on the left moving to the right. And then addition and subtraction, same thing for that. What comes first from the left moving to the right? So when we have a question like 9 plus 8 times 4 minus 7 times 2, we have to follow the order of operations for BEDMAS. So first we're looking at the brackets. So here I have in my first bracket 8 times 4, which is 32. And I highly encourage you when you're doing this at home, anytime, to write down the different steps. So now I'm going to change it. 9 plus stays the same. This is 32. 8 times 4 is 32. And I can do this bracket at the same time. 7 times 2 is 14. So that changes to 14. So now we have 9 plus, here I can actually erase these little brackets. Don't need those anymore. 9 plus 32 equals 14. So there's no more brackets, there's no exponents, there's no division or multiplication left. So now we're looking at addition and subtraction. And I'm just moving from the left to the right because they're kind of on the same level. So my first step is 9 plus 32, which is 41. And I rewrite it. 41 minus 14. 41 minus 14, I'm going to have to do that over here on the side. Borrow. 11 minus 4 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. So it equals 27. Okay, I'm going to show you one more question. Actually, it's a lie. I'm going to show you 2 more questions. The next one involves exponents. Just a quick review. I wonder if I can do this quick. A quick review of how exponents work. Sorry, erasing is something I need to work on, it looks like. Oops, how does this work? Just about there. Okay. Remember, exponents are simply if there's something like 3 to the second or 3 squared, that means 3 times 3. I'm writing the 3 twice. If it was 3 to the third or 3 cubed, that's 3 threes. If it was 3 to the fourth, it would be again times, times 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. And what would that be? 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3, so now we still have times 3 times 3. Times 3 is 27. Times 3, I have to do that over here. 27 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 1 down, 2 up. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. So it would equal 81. Okay, there's a little bit of a review related to the exponents. Erasing. If any of you know a faster way to erase, please let me know. This is on the new Explain Everything, which is like Edu Explain. I'll try and do a little research so it's a little easier for us. Okay, so the question I was going to show you next is 8 plus 5 plus 7 squared, or to the 2, in the brackets. So again, okay, I'm looking at my BEDMAS steps. First step is brackets. So within the brackets, I'm again using the concept of BEDMAS. So within here, I start again. Is there any other brackets? No, but there are exponents. So I'm going to do that first. So 7 squared is like 7 times 7, 2 7s there. 7 times 7 is 49. So I'm going to rewrite 5 plus 49 and 8 plus. 5 plus 49 is 54. So I'm going to rewrite 8 plus 54. 8 plus 54 is 62. Equals 62. So the exponents was the big piece on that. Erasing. And there's only one more I'm going to show you, just because it looks a little bit different on the iExcel than it does in the practice we've done thus far, how they show multiplication. So, I wonder why it won't let me erase that. Not sure. Oh, there we go. Okay. So the last question I wanted to show you, oops, it disappeared. Sorry, thank you for your patience. Is this one here. 7 plus 8, oh, and that's in brackets, plus bracket 10, and then they have this little dot, 6 bracket bracket. So this little dot means times. It's just another way of writing it. We haven't used it before, but that's all it means. So I'm in fact even just going to replace that little dot with the times. Okay, now I'm following BEDMAS. Brackets, okay, I have 2 sets of brackets. So I'm looking at the outer set first, and yes, there's another set inside, so I'm going to go the inside ones. It looks like a 6, sorry, a 16, but it's 10. 10 times 6 is 60, so I'm rewriting. That 8 plus 60 is still in the brackets, so I'm going to do that next. 8 plus 60 is 68, and 7 plus 68 is 75. Okay, I hope that helps. Remember, follow the steps. Division and multiplication are kind of on the same level. Addition and subtraction are on the same level, just moving from the left to the right. And I encourage you, please write out your steps. Okay, good luck.